are using technology to connect with their doctors during the COVID-19 pandemic. A Maple Grove clinic shows us how telemed appointments are benefiting their patients.
Oakdale ObGyn is a busy independent single specialty OBGYN practice in the Twin Cities. We're the largest practice of its kind in Minnesota.
Like many clinics across the country, Oakdale ObGyn was already using some form of telemedicine before the COVID-19 pandemic. About 10 appointments per month were telemed. Now that number has grown substantially.
We're now seeing around 700 telemedicine patients a month and have been able to quickly ramp up our ability to see patients virtually.
Dr. Matthew Palmer says the clinic is using an app called Well Health. The platform interfaces with electronic medical records so doctors and nurses can better communicate with patients.
We can use it to send individual messages to patients, but we can also send group messages out.
Dr. Palmer says the technology has many advantages, including keeping patients safe from exposure to the coronavirus.
You really can't over-communicate in a time where people have a lot of anxiety about even going out in public, during this current situation.
Although OBGYN appointments can be intimate in nature, Dr. Palmer says patients can still benefit from virtual visits.
A simple conversation can be had regarding fetal movement, normal symptoms of pregnancy versus questions the patient might have.
However, Dr. Palmer says virtual visits are not ideal for everyone.
We're very selective and careful about which patients we use this type of platform for, but there are patients that are low risk that don't require a weekly visit to provide reassurance for their pregnancy.
Oakdale ObGyn says the virtual visits have been so successful, they plan to keep the program long after COVID-19 is gone.
And I would say overwhelmingly our patients have been very satisfied and happy with being able to communicate with us in this way.
For more information on this story, check out our social media pages or log on to ccxmedia.org. Sonia Goins, CCX News.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.